More and more snow. This is crazy. Oh, here come my parents to visit. So amazing. Here comes my parents. Coming over to visit. Hi! Merry Christmas! It was just snowing pretty good. It's supposed to snow all night tonight. And kind of have a break tomorrow during the day and then come back all night and all the next day. So hopefully we get more. It's quite a bit right now. And I took down all the Christmas lights outside. My Christmas tree is outside because I took down all the Christmas stuff from inside the day after Christmas. No more Christmas tree. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. No more decorations, just nice and clean and simple, like it was. So nice. I usually put my Christmas stuff up like days after Halloween, and I'm eager to take it down like a week before Christmas, but this time I waited at least till the day after Christmas. Beanie, let's hope and pray for more snow. Say bye. What a difference half a day makes. It is sunny, blue sky. Things are melting, which is going to turn to ice. It's still freezing cold, 32. And we have a break in the storm and the snow today. It's going to start back tonight like at 10 and go all night and all day tomorrow, hopefully, and stay even colder. And then Wednesday's really, really cold, like 25 and below. So even though this is kind of disappointing right now that it's melting, there's more on the way. And we had a lot overnight, and it was pretty thick this morning. I should have videoed that. There goes Mom and Dad. They came over to check on the neighbor's barn, smaller little shed, because a tree fell over on it. So they're gonna go tool around a little bit. And they had to cut a tree out of the main driveway with my brother. And I was trying to start a fire in the fire pit, and I could not get it started. The wood is so wet, even underneath the tarp, and Dad had the propane crazy blower thing torch on his quad, and that took a long time to get it started. Everything's melting, but we have another storm coming in tonight. We had quite a bit of snow last night, but then it melted today. Man, this is still having a hard time. It's been so nice though with the snow. I just hate when it melts. And a little bit of snow has been coming down, kind of floating down, but not like we've had it. But wait till tonight. Brr. The snow is back. It's just little snow right now. I went over and helped my parents take down their Christmas tree, and then we'll do all the other Christmas stuff in a couple days. Took down all my Christmas stuff last night. It's so beautiful still, and we're supposed to get a bunch of snow tonight. Like from 9 o'clock at night until 6 a.m. And from midnight to like 8 is heavy precipitation. So hopefully tons of snow overnight. And then tomorrow it's really cold, and Wednesday more snow, and temperatures even down to below 25, which is really cold for us. But lots of the snow has come off the trees, which is kind of nice. That way some of the weight is off of the trees for now until we get more. Because the sun came out today and blue sky and melted quite a bit of it. But it's still a good amount in some places. Some areas are still pretty thick, especially down in the fields. But definitely melting. I had a fire pit today, or a fire going in the fire pit. I'm trying not to use the generator too much. I guess I could probably go. I don't know if I can get out my steep driveway with my car, because it just has all-season tires on it, not winter tires. But neighbors and family have made it down our driveway out to the closest little town. But I'm trying to make my gas last for my generator longer, and propane for the heater, keeping the temperature down a little bit. That way it lasts longer in case we get more snow and freezing weather this week, because it might be a couple weeks till I decide to actually leave and go refuel. But I topped off right before the storm, and that usually makes it to where I could last, if I'm careful, I could last a month off of the gas I have for the generator, and a month probably with the 4 tanks of propane I have for the cabin. I'd have to take the propane tanks from the bathroom, but that'd be fine. It's actually blue sky a little up there. Come on. We need our next storm to come in, and it's still snowing with blue sky and some sun. This is Oregon weather, all 4 seasons in one day usually. I mean, a lot of times. We'll see what tonight brings. Beanie, what are you doing out here in the snow, honey? What are you doing? Beanie. going? Beanie, where are you going? You're gonna follow the tracks all the way to the cabin, Beanie? You're so smart. You are too smart for your own good, honey. You're so silly. Oh. Yep, you're smart. Trying not to be in the snow. At least you're not racing back to the cabin like before. Beanie. Okay, let's go, Beanie. Let's go, Beanie. Come on. Let's go. Let's go back inside. Let's go back inside before the storm comes. Good girl. You're such a good girl, Beanie. You ready, honey? Come on. Let's go. Bye, Beanie.